So we're having the blizzard of 2021, and we are making some homemade chicken soup. Oh, it smells remarkable. Very yummy. Perfect day for chicken soup, right? Alright, it's only been like maybe an hour since I was out here, and look where it's at. It's insane. They said 1 to 3 inches an hour, and that is absolutely true. And it's not fun. I haven't seen a storm like this since the 90s. We had one 3-foot snowstorm in the 90s that shut the state down. But the state is shut down now, so only emergency vehicles on the roads. And look, Smarty's going to be buried soon. But the way it's drifting, it's not on top of the car. It's like, can you see him? It's kind of blowing off to one side. But he's definitely covered on that side. So, I know, my father was bugging me yesterday. Bring it over, bring it here, put it in the garage. And I was like, it's not going to snow. It is not going to snow. No, it's not going to snow. It's going to blizzard. Massive blizzard. Biggest blizzard I've seen since the 90s, definitely. We had that one major 3-foot blizzard. And this is definitely shaping up to be the same thing because this is supposed to go all night into tomorrow, maybe most of the day tomorrow. So look where it's at my fence there. So look at my poor tree. This is going to be way more than 3 feet, I feel. So since I've been home, we left at 12, left at noon. Since I've been home, not a single plow has come up my street. So, and this is a dead end. So they often plow it like last, but still not one plow. So they're going to have a lot of snow. Maybe because it's falling at 1 to 3 inches an hour, they're waiting a little bit. But man, they got to get some plows up here. This is insane. If they wait and then plow, the mound at the end of my driveway is going to be so big, I won't get out for a week. Oh, this is such bullshit. I want the spring. I want the summer. I want 100 degrees. That's what I want. The winds are starting to pick up. This is a nor'easter, so these are the worst kind of storms, and this is right after the full moon, and that's usually when we get hammered, like at the full moon or around the full moon, and so it's crazy. It's pretty, very pretty, but I'm really, really not into this at all. At all, guys. Smells good in there, though. I got the chicken soup going. Just about to put the noodles in. It's almost done. Ugh. So horrible. Too much. Too much. Way too much. But next week it's supposed to hit like 50. I think next week it's supposed to be 50. So whatever falls, a lot of it will melt. Well, it's going to take a long time for this to melt. But I don't know. Can't see anything in my garden. Look, everything is covered. Everything. The fence is more than half covered. My little Chinese ladies in the garden there are way half covered. Look at that. Look at the lantern there. Look how much snow is on top of it. With the garbage can, it is like the... Look at my little froggy. He's totally covered. Everything is completely covered. So not cool. Alright. This is how far we've gotten. But I have to stop it, you know. I have to stop in between because my back and all the icicles. Wow. And what I can't do is that mound into my driveway. Even the Jeep won't go over that. My Jeep will go through pretty much anything, but not that. It's like halfway up the Jeep. That plow mound. Wow. I don't know. Well, my dad's supposed to send somebody with a plow to push that away. It's very pretty. And the thing that is making me, the thing that's making me laugh is what's in my mind is, do you want to build a snowman? That song, do you want to build a snowman? From Frozen. Let's say right here, along this ridge, the snow is as tall as I am. Really peaceful. Really, really peaceful. I did buy forsythia to make a wreath for there for the spring. Yeah, right. No time soon. And Puxatawny Phil said 6 more weeks of winter, but Gregory Groundhog said early spring. So my Gregory said early spring. So I started digging out, and then we have, looks like Bonga, my neighbor's dog, came through and helped me out a little bit. I could see the little paw prints in there. And the rest of his body kind of made a little path, which is cool. Very cool. Smarty is buried. Especially on that one drifted side. Oh, this is so ridiculous. Look at this. Yeah. It's been close, I think close to 20 years since we had snow like this. And hopefully we'd never have it again. It does look pretty, but it's, oh, hell. And I'm really worried about my little tree. Look at him buried. But I'll probably insulate him pretty well. And it's snowing right now. Very lightly snowing. Just crazy. My company will be open because it is considered essential. But I don't think anybody's going to show up. Really not supposed to go out anyway. The state's been shut down. Oh, baby.